All right, what's going on, guys? How's it going? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by to Sunday night charts. I see there's 32 of you waiting in the wings. Good to see you guys. Hey, Ryan Lewis, first to comment tonight. First to comment. And because you're the first to comment tonight, Ryan Lewis, you win the internet. Let's give him a round of applause, guys. Congratulations, you win the internet. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome. Let me know where you're from and what you're doing here, and if it's your first time watching, or if this is your long time viewer of Jim of All Trades Sunday night charts. But we're gonna get going, guys. We're gonna get started in the crypto space here, guys. We're gonna focus in on Bitcoin. We're gonna do a thorough analysis there. We're gonna do look at the RSI analysis. We're going to look at order block analysis. We'll also look at the Elliott wave structures, see what's going on. Then what we'll do is we'll go through and do a correlation analysis of the rest of the market. We'll kind of look at Ethereum. I like to look at DOT, XRP, and ADA. Those are my that's my those are my slice of the market, just overall. And then what we'll do is we'll take some requests as well. We'll look at DXY. And the traditional markets as well. All right, that's what we'll do. You guys have a great night. We have a great night planned for you, and try to get some information out, guys. You know, the idea that I presented last week, it did not play out. It didn't play out, and I pray that you listened to all the warnings that I gave. We were prepared on our end for us not to be right. It stunk. It really was looking good. We'll look at that trade and look at what was looking so good about it. But now there's blood in the streets, and the question is Bitcoin going to find a bottom anywhere soon? Will Bitcoin find a bottom? This little rally that we got tonight, what was that? What was that part of? It was part of a wave structure as far as I could tell. And anyway, want to get this information out to you guys. Don't forget, not financial advice. Let's see. Did you have a stop there, TC007? Did you have a stop, sir? Did you were you prepared to trade with low risk and good risk management, my man? You don't ever trade somebody's videos just because they have an idea, guys. Elliott Wave is about presenting ideas, looking at wave structure, seeing if we can determine where the market might be going, but they're all ideas, guys. They're all ideas. I take zero responsibility for sharing ideas. I let you guys know with plain language, guys, plain language, that you should be very skeptical of anybody's ideas. I'm sorry to hear that you didn't stop your trade, my man. So it turned into a positive trade for us. We went in the positive. It was great. It was a great trade. It came back. When it came back to my entry, I got out break even. It is what it is. We looked for short entries after that. So, you know, you saved your butt. Well done, Purified Crypto. Good deal. Good deal. Let's just keep the sentiment clean, please, without cussing, and keep the attitudes positive as well, because this market is all about taking your money, guys. We're just looking. What's up, Riggs? How's it going? Okay, well, let's jump into the market, guys. We'll look at Bitcoin. I'll show you what I'm seeing. Sorry my idea didn't play out, but it was looking really good. It was actually looking quite good to play out. In fact, let's just take a peek at last week's trade idea here, guys. What we were looking at is we had a potential bottom here off the midline here with an impulse off of that. Then we were looking at a three-way pullback right there, and then we got some shenanigans right here, and then it looked like we were getting continuation, and it could have very well done that trick there, but they just rolled it over. And took it on down pretty heavily. So anyway, that trade was actually looking quite good for us. We actually got into profit up here, all excited, hoping this market was going to consolidate a little bit and then go up for another leg. Well, that didn't happen, guys. That didn't happen. But that was the trade, guys. We were in this range down here. Had a really nice a nice move to the upside. What was the percentage of that move? Let's see what that was. We got I got a 4% move there. That wasn't too bad. That's a nice little trade. And of course, I just let it come back and stop me out. I was determined to let that trade go and not to be shaken out of it if it was going to go. So that was my take on it. I stopped it out, break even, and then looked for short entries. The market did not give me really any short entries. I mean, it just went straight down. I hear you, Ryan. Anyway, it just totally went straight down. I mean, just gave no pullbacks, nothing. It was just like, it was gone. It was gone. So anyway, the question is, what's happening down here? Is this is this done, or has it got more downside to go? I would say just right off the bat, it's got more downside to go. Okay. Let's just take a peek at this little wave right here. Basically, let's zoom out first. And I'll show you the overall count that I'm looking at. We'll get to see me in just a bit. Okay. Looking at overall, guys, this is an idea I go back and forth to. A, B, now C. We have an A wave, a B wave, and a C, and this is all a larger correction. Now, I mean, that's kind of what you want to do with this. Now, there's so many other things you can do with this. Okay, just number one, just to looking at it. I mean, it looks like a running flat right now. It could be it could turn into an expanded flat where B did break the top of A. And this could come down even deeper. Right now, it's a running formation, and the question is there more downside to go? And my answer to that is yeah, probably a little bit more downside. However, we are just pulling fibs on this particular account right here. I'll see if I can get you a target here. Boom, 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 right there. We've got a trade right here rocking at, or at least an idea of 33,189. 33,189 is the one-to-one extension. Okay, that is confluent here, down here with this order block area, as well as CME gap sitting around 32.5. CME gap sitting around 32.5. So this region down here is highly likely. Okay, if Bitcoin acts like it has acted, okay, if Bitcoin acts traditionally how it acts, it's going. I mean, we should be finding some support in this range. I mean, at least for a bounce. We've got major support all through here, guys. All right. Now we got a bounce right here in this range right there where we got a touch there. So we had a bounce in here. Okay. We had an intermediate bounce, but we didn't find that good of support, which I was surprised to see that. We didn't find support on the tops of these waves at all right here. It just, but I thought, to be honest with you, I thought that was a really, really nice area that we could expect to bounce. And I had a good Elliott wave count that supported it. Nevertheless, it came down, obviously. Now, so now this is our next region of support, guys. I mean, this is it. This is it right here. It's do or die, okay? It is do or die for Bitcoin. Now, generally speaking, the market generally bounces, okay? It generally is going to bounce. Now, do we get a bounce this high, or do we get a bounce that's intermediate? Generally speaking, we're going to, just from looking for, some kind of a three-way pullback, right? That this kind of move would make sense, at least in some counts. Now, guys, super bull count is that this fourth wave is finished or is going to finish. It's going to find some support down here at 30K. Okay, this is a super bull count. I'm neutral on the market right now. I'm neutral. I'm not bullish, not bearish. I'm as neutral as can be. Okay, I've been just trading 1% moves over the weekend and just having a blast. 1 to 4% moves, and it's been great. Just trading this little range that we've been in over the weekend. But nevertheless, we've got a three-wave move. If this is a finished correction, whether it's finished now or got a little bit more down to go, if we find a bottom here, guys, I mean, the next move is to go up and break the top, right? If this is wave 4, if this is some kind of a wave 4, we need a wave 5. That means we're gonna see all-time highs again. Okay, I mean that's what an Elliott wave count would say, right? Now, if you want to even a moon boy count here's a moon boy count. Not many people are talking about this guy, but here's a moon boy count for you. That this is a 1, 2. Actually, that's not a very good way to count that. Try that again. We got a 1 right there. 2, 3, 4. It's a wave 5 right there. Okay, this is a three-wave pullback. It's a three-wave pullback. In order for this count to be fine, you cannot break this low. Absolutely cannot break this low. Okay, but if this is the low, we got a 5-wave up. We got a 3-wave back right there. Looks like a WXY or an ABC, depending on the way you count it. And then all of a sudden, guys, we are in a 3rd wave to the upside. I mean, this is ultra moon boy count. This is like go to 150K, and it may even happen this year. Now, I'm not here to say that's going to happen or not. I'm simply saying that that's an ultra moon boy count. Let me calm the moon boys down a little bit, and let me give you a little bit of a different count. This is another count that let me give you a little bit. Hey guys, I'm just offering counts, guys. Relax, just relax, just chill. Offer an Elliott wave analysis. I'm not here to tell you which of these is going to happen, and I'm not here to pump any FUD or pump anybody to the moon here, guys. I'm just showing you wave structures, okay? Wave structures that we know, and you know, obviously I've been bearish most of my world. Just kind of. This dude, you're fat. Who are you talking to, my man? This dude. I'm simply offering a wave structure analysis, guys. Y'all just need to chill. I mean, please take a chill pill. Just relax, okay? I'm gonna tell you what I think, okay? I'm sharing different counts, different ways you can look at these waves, okay? And that's what Elliott does. We look at the waves and we see the structures that they're making, and we put them together. I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted by the comments over here because there's just a lot of crap attitudes in here. Let me just take a minute just to talk about Elliott Wave here and explain to you what it is. Okay, Elliott Wave theory is a theory that the market moves in 5s and 3s. We put those together in known structures that Elliott devised and observed as repetitive patterns, and that's what we do. We look and we give ideas. Okay. You know, I remember when I was getting ridiculed. Guys, do y'all remember when this wave was going up here? And I said, guys, watch out up here. That we're probably watch out for a wave down to the downside like this. Who remembers when we were going up here? I warned you guys about this wave to the downside before we even started down. Just let me know in the comments. Who remembers that, TA? Nobody was saying that when this market was going up. Not many of us. Everybody's crying to the moon. And I said, guys, we could go up here and break the top and then come on down. Let me know in the comments who remembers that crap. Anyway, I was, as far as I was concerned, I was looking for a small pullback, a three-way pullback here in this region. We didn't get it. We rolled over. Okay. But I got a lot of ridicule. I got a lot of ridicule for that count. I was telling everybody about it, this possible flat right here, which is what's playing out. So I warned everybody about this wave coming before it happened. I could pull up the video. So, talk about bad calls. I'm just talking about wave structures, guys. So I said this is possible. I didn't know if it was going to happen, but I said, listen, watch out for this. This is possible, and this could be going on. So, anyway, and that's what's happening. Now, this count here would put us at 5 waves to the downside. That could be finished, or we have more downside to go. All right? We could have more downside to go. But, nevertheless, just to explain to you about something here. If this is a one wave right here, if that's wave 1, if this was the top of something here, and we got a pullback. This was the top of a structure. We got a 3-way pullback. This is the beginning of a new structure. It's a huge count. Now I'm not a bull like that. I don't believe that. I don't think that count's going to play. Nevertheless, that's a possible way of thinking about it. Another possibility that people aren't talking about right now is that right here, this is the top of wave 3 right here. That actually this was wave 4, okay, of a larger move. Okay. Let's see if I can get it to you. 1, 2, okay. Now, all of this is wave 3. So, in other words, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 of 3. All that's wave 3 right there. That this is the top of wave 3. That we now have this could be interpreted as a 3-wave move right here. It could be followed by a 3-wave move to the upside, and then be followed by another 3-wave move down. Okay. And this becomes a wave 4, or it could become some kind of triangle or something like that. In other words, that this could be the top of 3, and that we might be in a much more extended sideways market. Okay, that's a possibility as well from a wave structure standpoint. Just talking ideas on the big macro scale. I'm not here to. I don't know. In fact, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter which one of these counts are going to play because I don't trade that time frame. I don't trade that time. We trade this when we don't know where the market's going. We don't know what the market's doing. We trade the small time frames, and we look at the we look at the market and we see what clues are in the market to make a trade now on the 4-hour chart, on the 1-hour chart. Okay, so we're going to look at this wave. It is either a 5-wave or a 3-wave, and there's different ways to talk about this wave. It is either ending something or beginning something. Those are facts, right? Those are facts. It's either beginning something, some new structure, or it's ending a structure. So if it's ending a structure, we could simply have an ABC. Now, if that's an ABC, we're looking for 5 waves to finish. Okay, looking for 5 waves to finish. Let's go to the line chart and see if we have 5 waves. Okay, let me show you how to count them, how I count them. I got a 1 and a 2 right there. Okay, I'm going to call this wave 3, this wave 4, and now I'm going to call all of this wave 5. And I'm looking at that as an impulse wave. It's the 5-wave C. Now the question is this 5th wave done? Is this 5th wave done? Okay, is the 5th wave of C finished? So we're going to zoom in here. And we're going to just do some interpretation here of the 5th wave of C. Okay, so let's zoom in here on the 2-hour chart. And all we're going to do is we're going to look at wave 5 right here and say, okay, is this finished? Okay, this is just a way to interpret the market. Now, The way I look at this is I've got a 1, 2 right up here. So we're going to start our count. I'm going to just start counting. I got a 1 and a 2 right there. Now what I have is I have a, here, let's make this a little bit bigger. 1, 2. All right. Now where's 3? Now you could put 3 right here, okay? Or you could put 3 right here, which is interesting. I've got 2 counts here. You can say this is 1, 2, and we're going to put 3 right here, 4, and now all this is 5. Get rid of that 3 there, okay? And we have a finished wave, or what's almost finished. An almost finished wave. That's a possibility. Okay, or my favorite count is actually putting the 3 down here, but the 3 may not be done. It may have one more wave to go right here. 3. What I expect to happen tonight is we get a hit to the low to finish the third. We're going to get a hit to the low. We're going to probably zoom back up here, retesting this range right here, and that's going to be 4. And we're going to come back and hit the lower lows. Okay? 5 later on. That's what I believe is going to happen. So let me justify that count for you, and let's talk about it and explain why I believe that's what's going to happen. Now, whether it happens or not, I don't know. But I'm here to at least talk about the plausibility of it, and let's work this count out just a bit. All right. So let's first get the overall structure. Okay. The overall structure is, let's go. We're going to go 1, 2. I'm going to put 3 down here. It's not done, but it's almost done. Okay. I'm going to get 4, retesting these ranges right here. 4. And then a 5 down here to close out the CME gap or whatever, right? Everybody's going to think we got a reversal here on the fourth wave, okay? But we're probably going to get another hit to the low. Okay, so this is going to play around a bit here at the bottom, all right? Before we get a move up, but I think a move up is coming from this range. I do think a bounce is coming. Okay, that's what I'm bullish short term. Okay, I'm bullish short term, but right now in the immediate term, I'm bearish tonight, bullish maybe tomorrow or the next day. Finish this wave out, and then I want to see another wave finish this week some point. Okay. Now, let's talk about the count here. Let's make this bigger. Let's go primary. There we go. All right, now let's do the sub count of wave 3 so we can get in there and just kind of dig into that a little bit, okay? Let's do the sub count. Okay, we're going to do a 1, 2. Now, there's another 1 in here. It's a diagonal. Okay, it's a 1, 2 right in there. So I got a 1, 2 right there. Now I've got another 1, 2 right in here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th. There's try that again. Sorry. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, sorry. We're going to go 1, 2, put 3 down here. 4, and then 5 to finish down here. Let's change that. We're going to go to sub micro there, and we're going to change the color to red. No. Yeah, yellow looks good. Yellow looks nice. Okay. The 4 does not overlap the 1. We have 5 waves and 3 right there. We got a nice flat right here for 4. And now we're getting the 5th wave. Okay. The other possible count for 4 is this could be some kind of a WXY with a truncated Y. Okay. Now we're going to look at this wave here, but the other way to look at this is that we're going to go 1, 2. We could call this 3, getting 4, 5. Now here's the deal. We could actually get, here, let me do it this way. We could actually get a 1, 2, and this is a 1, 2, 3, come on, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. A double hit before we get the fourth wave up. So we get some chop in here, okay? But it kind of makes a downward sloping ending. It'll look like an ending diagonal or something like that, right? It'll kind of look weird. A lot of chop down here, though. 4, 5, 4, 5. Probably come down to the 1-to-1 extension, 33.1. Probably won't close the CME gap, and we'll bounce back up really fast. Okay? Get this fourth wave out. Okay? Come back to this region here, wave 4. And then come down later on, tag the low, play around, and go. That's a plausible look, guys. All right, how you doing with this count? So that's my work there in this wave. That's how I'm counting this wave. So zooming back out just to kind of look at this overall wave. My overall structure is I got the 1, 2 up here. This is 3, 4, 4 here, and now this is an extended fifth wave, and I think it's close to being finished. Okay. All right. Ow. How many of you like that count, guys? You like that count? What do you think? Make sure you hit the like, man, if you like that count, guys. Hit the likes, guys. I'd appreciate it. Guys, I don't know what the deal is, but I put out a couple of videos the beginning of this year, and I'm getting no subs. Maybe people are tired. I don't know, but I only need 90 subs to hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm like right at that precipice, you know, and it's like I thought I'd get them pretty fast, but I can't seem to get those last 90 subs. Will you be one of them? That'd be awesome. If you're not one, would you? I'm trying to clean this up a little bit. So basically what I'm calling for here, guys, is like tonight, we're going to look at this wave structure here, okay? And I'll explain what I'm seeing. And then I'll show you a small time frame here. But basically tonight, I think we just finished a 3-wave move, and I think we're getting ready to come down to hit the lows, okay? And this is going to be some kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but then we got a 1, 2. So this is the bottom of the third wave of the fifth. Then we're going to get a 4 and then a 5 again. So this is a 4, 5. Then we're going to get another 4, 5. And that's going to finish. And so this is going to be choppy in this area right here. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, so I expect a low to be hit, but I don't think it's like going to go down forever. So don't let the market makers, if you're holding right now, don't sell down here, guys. Don't sell in this range. Okay, just this is where you want to have some diamond hands right here. You don't want to be. I mean, I'm not giving you financial advice, but this is where they shake you out. This is where PRP, my subscriber count's at resistance. You're right about that, man. You are right about that. Ryan Lewis, I am on Twitter. I don't post a lot. I have a friend of mine who posts my videos whenever I put a video out. He'll he'll post on Twitter, but thanks, Ryan, for that compliment. I appreciate it. I would actually yeah, I have a hard time with clickbait titles, guys. Okay. Sorry, I was just reading y'all's comments. Sorry about that. Let's zoom into the like 3-minute chart. Let's just look at this wave. We've been trading the mess out of this. I actually called this wave last night in my live stream, or the night before. Actually, I actually drew this wave in advance. Yeah, thanks, Jay. If you could help me out with that, I don't even know my Twitter address. Help me out, Jay. Jay is my man. Crypto Fever is my helper. I got you, Hubris. Hubris, I'll get you there, buddy. All right. So let's look at this. I'm looking at this as a flat, guys. I got 3 there. 3 there. Now this is interesting. This right here could play out a couple of ways. I got a couple of ideas. Okay, first idea. By the way, guys, if you want to scalp a wave, watch this trend line right here. Or if you want to get in on a down, maybe a down move, watch this pullback, and then maybe get in on the reversal. Okay, so this could be, I could see this a couple of ways. I can see as a 3, and maybe a really weird looking 5-wave move right there. There's an ABC running flat in the middle, and what that's gonna do is give us a zigzag. Yeah, I can put that there. It gives us a zigzag A, B, C that came up to the 786, and we have a finished correction. It's done. It's complete. Came to the 786. It's beautiful. Okay. All right. So there's a possible wave count. Now there's a way to extend this. There's a way to extend this wave. Let me show you how this could get extended. Okay, let me show you. This could be a 3-wave move, a flat right here in the middle, or a 3-wave move here. Let's see, 5, 3, 5, like this. Boom, 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 like that. Now what they can do here is go. They can make this 3 like this. Okay, and that becomes a 3-wave move, and then that can be your A, B, C like that. I know. It's pretty interesting, isn't it? Nonetheless, that's a possibility. There's a possibility for you guys. So they could extend it out a little bit, come hit this high, and then come back down again. Or it's done. It's already a complete 3-wave move. It's finished. It's done. It's complete. And we're getting ready. This wave right here is going down for one more, the final wave. So either this is going to play out. We're going to go up for one more hit. before we come down for a 5th. And this will be a 4 and then a 5. Okay? Or it's out of the way a little bit here. Sorry. Or it's finished already. And we have an A. Oh, come on. I'm trying. We have an A. We got a 3-way B. And a C. Okay. There's your ABC. It's a zigzag. Came to the 786. Didn't get to the 1-to-1 extension. But nevertheless, what I'd be looking for is some kind of a 5-way move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, and that would finish us out. This would be the 4 and the 5. Let's check out the CME chart here, just to see how the waves change a little bit. The indicator at the bottom is simply the RSI with a moving average on it. That's all it is. It's actually part of the TDI indicator. It's not part of it. It's but the TDI indicator is a nice indicator that has an RSI line, has Bollinger Bands, and it has a moving average. Okay, so yeah. Let's see. Lammy, I can see that as a possibility, man. Sure can. Good to see you, bud, by the way. All right, let's look at CME chart. Now, CME, same thing. Same thing here. Let's do some work. Let's do some work on this wave. Okay, I'm seeing this as an ABC. All right, as a big flat. All right. Initial targets are going to be 32, 365. Okay, that's gonna allow us to close the CME gap at the 1-to-1 extension. So I'm looking for this to work its way down here. We need a little bit of a choppy break. We need a little bit of some time to finish, and I think we're gonna get it. Okay, but I think 32, 365 is the 1-to-1 that closes the CME gap, and that finishes this ABC nicely. It might get so bearish that you get some liquidation wicks and whatnot that take us below 28K, break that, and then go back. In fact, this could easily. I mean, we've got targets down here at 22. The 127 extension right here is at 22,140. As long as it doesn't break 20K, man, I'm okay with that. I'm really all right with that. I really don't want to see Bitcoin lose that 20K range. Okay, I don't want to see it dip into the teens. That's not good. Okay. That's very bearish. Okay, that's very bearish. Now, let's work on this wave on the CME. I see 96 of you here. Good to see y'all. 93 now. I just had some people drop off. I guess I'm boring. I can't keep everybody's attention. All right, we got a 1, 2. Okay. Let's see. Then I've got a 3, 4. Yeah, I like this as the bottom of 3, and that's 4, and then this as 5. I like that as 5. So that means let me try something different here. I just hate how shallow that is. Yeah, I could see this as the bottom of 3 here. Whoa. Whoa. A bit of a big red candle there, guys. I mean, it's not that big, but I had it on the 1 minute chart and it was like, starting to get extended here. This wave here. Let me just look at it real quick. Hold on. I want to see what it's doing. For wave structure standpoint, I would really love to see like a wave 2 here. Come back 3, 4, 5 like that. I would love to see that. Finish this wave 1. See a wave 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably the way I'd be looking at that. Sorry, I just wanted to take a peek at that. All right. See me. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm doing a little work on the CME here. Sorry, I'm doing this on the fly here. I like that. I mean, this is possible here. Really struggle though. This could be the bottom of 3. That's the difficulty here. daily here. Still on the daily trend. We have no divergence in this. No problem there, Crypto Fitter. Good to see you, man. Yeah, there's no divergence here at all. No broke. We had the structure drawn like that. It broke and then continued on. I'm going to redraw the structure there. It's like a 2-day trend. Guys, you really want to pay attention here, guys, to when this trend ends right here on the 2-day chart. It's got a really nice, it's got a 2-day trend. That's really what you want to pay attention to. When you're looking for the bounce, what you want to see is a move that breaks this trend line to the upside. That's what you want to see. All right, that's what you want to be watching for. If you'll notice that this one right here, this trended down on the CME, and this wave right here, that wave right there broke. It broke the trend. Okay, it let you know that the wave was fizzling out. You had one more hit to go, maybe, or whatever. So you know when this trend broke right there, it broke right here. So the 2 days, what I'd be watching, guys, I'd be watching the 2-day chart. I would draw this line. That'll give you a good buy signal on a retest. So once it breaks to the upside, let it come back down and retest, and that might be a good buy signal for you for a longer term trade to the upside. Okay. So anyway, yeah, man, I'm struggling with the count here, guys. Really am. 1, 2, 3. I'm inclined to say this here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the bottom of 3. We're going to get a fourth wave pullback and then another hit. Okay? So that's kind of the way I'm looking at it. Again, it's similar to what I already shared. We're finishing up this wave, but I think I had it finishing. Yeah, that's looking pretty good, actually, on the CME chart. I like that. What that's going to do, guys, is when this breaks structure, it's going to come up and retest and give you the divergence on the daily there, the 2-day chart. It's going to give you divergence there. Just like you have the divergence here, you're going to get divergence there as well. All right, guys, there it is. So basically, just to kind of put an exclamation point on the TA for tonight, on the wave structure analysis, guys, and guys, there's more down to come. There's more down to come. Now, I think we're due for a bounce. Watch out. That bounce is not going to be Moon Boy bounce. It's probably going to be a wave 4 of some kind, okay? And then there'll be another hit to the low. Going to be watching 28. 32K is a key mark. So we're going to be watching 32K, but you know, the bottom here is also key as well. So, but 32,000 is a key Fibonacci level that I'm going to be watching for. So around here, 32,000, 30,000. I do not want to see. Well, I mean, we could break this low, but I just want to see it only wick the low. I don't want to see it taken out much. Okay, let's look at this wave now on the small time frames. Let's look at the small time frames here one more time, the current wave that we're in, and see if we can come up with a plan for what this wave may be doing. Is there any way that that's a WXY? Is there a possibility here that that's a W, X, and a Y? Yes, it is. It's possible. Is it likely? Maybe not. Let's see what we've got here. 10-minute chart. Beautiful. It's not going to give any macro 2-wave, I don't think. Five, 3, 5. I mean, that looks like a finished correction. Yeah, it looks like a 5, 3, 5 finished correction there. Now we're getting a 5th wave to the downside. That's, again, that's possibility number 1. The other possibility is that this is not finished. It's got more to go. We're going to be doing this. And then we're going to be doing this. Come on. So either this is going to come down, we get another hit, and then we come down. Okay, so that becomes a larger corrective wave, larger flat there in the middle. Or this is going to come down and break this low now, not as a C wave, but it'll break it as an ABC here, A, B, C, and then now we come down for a 5th wave. There it is. What am I missing in the Ryan, there's a rule of alternation about wave 4. So if wave 2 is shallow and quick, wave 4 will be, take a longer period of time. However, if wave 2 is complex and long, wave 4 will be very shallow and quick. So it just depends. GBTC, huh? Let me check it out. Do I look at it on FTX or OTC, man? Lemmy? Jay's asking. Thanks, Vincent. Appreciate it, buddy. Jay, S&P effect BTC. Yeah, I mean, I think the traditional markets, yes. It's probably why we're getting a sell-off now. Lammy, I'm waiting to. Which one do I look at here? Which GBTC, OTC? Thank you. It's clearer. You got to finish 5 waves here. And an extended 5th. Yeah, the GBTC looks finished or close to being finished as a running flat. Haven't got to the 1-to-1 yet, but hey, perspective changer, what's up, buddy? Yeah, I'll look at that total chart in just a minute. I was wanted to see something on the. Excuse me. Two, three, four, five. One, two, 1, 2. Hey, Ladstones, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Peer P, yeah, I'm sorry. I'll look at the total crypto. Sure. Is that the total two? Is that total two? Which one is that? Or is it just total? There we go, just total. There it is. Yeah, see, that looks like a finished wave 5 right there. And that's the way I've been looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. And it almost looks like a zigzag, doesn't it? Yeah, but that sucks. That wave structure sucks right there. I get the sense this dump that we're getting right now is an induction. It's an induction move. It's a scam. Yeah, that's an interesting chart right there. The total market cap is. It's much more like Ethereum. I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished 5 waves. This looks like an A wave. See, this is the way I've been thinking about it. I mean, it looks like an A wave, and as we've got on the daily, we've got hidden bull like crazy. At least for there, and for here, almost. The hidden bull divergence is crazy. So I'm looking for a three-wave back at some point. But this may have a little bit more down to go. This may come down here in this range, okay? Find support down here. But we're looking for a three-wave move back, guys. I mean, that's kind of the way it's looking. Three-wave move back, but that's probably not it. Probably going to get another move down. So we got some hidden bull in the chart, but it may just be for a three-way pullback. It's just some kind of a bounce here. No, I'm not saying it's moon time. I think there's going to be some little pumpiness to the market, but it's all going to be choppy. Go back and rewind the video. I shared some ideas there, Crypto Fitter. So definitely watch. Yeah. That's why I'm not a fan of log scale. It just... So in log scale, this is looking like this is 1, 2. This was the top of 3. Now we're getting 4. Now this is something I shared a bit ago, and then we'll get 5, and that's it. That's it. That's all we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So we have to finish this out. We've got some bearishness for a while, for a time. We got some bearishness. It's actually not a bad chart there. Hey there, Adrian. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Oh, that's right, man. What's up, dude? I forgot that was your forgot that was your call sign there. Good to see you again, man. Pan's a friend of mine from Wax's group. We haven't talked in a long time, buddy. Hold on a second, guys. Yeah, it's really good to see you, bud. All right. So yeah, I mean the hidden bull is crazy on the chart though, on the total market cap chart. So there's some bullishness to this market. We may be getting, like I said, a 3-wave up and then another downside like so, and then we go up for that 5th wave, and that'll be the end of it. That'll be the last hurrah. The big bullish one, the big move that everybody gets everybody in 2023, 2024 range. Yeah. It's possible. All right. Let's see. Let's look at total 2 for fun. That's the total 2 is without excludes Bitcoin. It's a market cap out Bitcoin. Let's go. Yeah, that looks so much like a 5-wave move. It's unreal there. And I've been talking about that count in Bitcoin as well. And now this looks like a WXY all day long here on the total 2. It looks like a WXY. That is finished, or it needs one more hit to the low. So the total 2 looks done. WXY. Man, that looks amazingly done. Yeah, the only problem with this count is I got to get 5 waves in here. That's a challenge. And I need one more hit to the low. One more hit to the low. One more low. Let's see here. One, two. Yeah, 3, 4, and yeah, one more wave probably. So guys, we're gonna get some choppy 4th wave action in here. Chop, 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 chop. It's gonna take a while. So I don't think we're gonna get the dump you guys might be expecting. I think we're gonna be going sideways for a bit, and then we'll get our final low later on in the week. Most likely. The total 2 is a great chart, man. How easy is that chart? That chart looks amazing. That thing looks amazing. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's take a peek at Ethereum. Oh, me. I can't see for all my fibs. Yeah, I got 3 down. WX. See, X sucks. And then Y sucks. But I had this as a WXY. Looks more like a 5-wave move. Finish something. 3-wave move down. Looks about done. It's almost done, but it needs some more down. It needs a little bit more down. 3. X. Yeah, just got to finish out this 5-wave move here. Zoom in. Yeah. So I got a 3, 5, B, 5, 3, 5. Yeah, that looks done. That looks done. That looks like a finished ABC. A, B, C. All finished, all done, all complete. Looks about finished. So this is going to impulse to the downside. So I would love to see, love, to see some kind of a real 5-wave move here. I would love that. That would be good. That would be really good. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3, and we'd be going basically. Oh, come on. 1, 2, all that's 3, 4, and 5. So guys, again, I'm reiterating to you, we're probably going to go hit the low tonight. Okay, we're gonna go down in 5 waves into tomorrow maybe. So yeah, you might be right. We might get a dumpy day tomorrow, but guys, it's gonna be followed by an upside move that's probably gonna take this region out or come back up into this region again. Chop around. You better chop around, and then another low is gonna be made. Again, same thing I've been looking at with BTC, Total 2, everything. All the charts are saying, guys, we're going to be chopping in this area. Chop, 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 okay? We might even hit the low tomorrow. Everybody's going to think sell, 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 sell. And then there's going to be a big rally. It's going to rally. It's going to rebound into a 4th wave somehow. Triangle it out. It's going to go sideways, whatever. It's going to finish a 4th wave. It's going to feel like it's going to be a false rally, okay? And then another hit to the low again is what I'm seeing based on this, based on the Elliott wave. Okay. Excuse me. All right, guys, there it is. Let's look at XRP for fun. XRP for fun. Yeah, we had this nice little move here. Boom, 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 right there. It's a running flat right in the middle. That's our B wave. So our overall count is A, B, C, done, complete, boom, finished. Well, what I'd like to see now, some kind of 3-wave pullback. That's what I'd like to see. Some kind of 3-wave pullback, and then a finished 5-wave move. Yeah, we can do Elliott wave on my subscribership as well. You know. Let's see. Let's zoom out just a little bit here. Let's do the counts here. We got 1, 2. This is the challenging area right here. 2, 3. Yeah, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me, and 5. We need to finish it. We need to finish this. Finish him. Now, what I'm thinking with XRP overall is a larger flat here. Okay, so I've got this move here. I think I got it as a 1-2 right there, but have we broken the low? Can't remember if we broke the low or not. We haven't broken the low yet. Oh, excuse me. But there's a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, and now a 5-wave move down, and that's looking about finished right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Finishing that out. So we're in the final stages of the 5th wave of the 5th wave, guys. Again, same, that's where we are. We got a little bit, probably got another hit to the low. And then, so all the charts are saying the same thing, guys. That's why I do correlation on the charts. They're all kind of saying the same thing. Okay, let's look at DOT here on the daily. All right. So DOT on the daily, looking like an A, B, and a C wave. Best I can tell, that looks very clearly to be an ABC. All right. The C wave needs 5 waves. I got a 1, 2 right up in here, 3, 4, and then 5. Now this thing is the never-ending story here. Okay, the never-ending story. But it looks like we got some kind of a 1, 2, 1, 2 to the downside. So watch out for this. Or it's kind of like an ending diagonal with a throw over. The only problem is it doesn't have the wave count for an ending diagonal, but it looks about finished. Let's look at that wave a little closer. Look at the small time frames there. Yeah, small time frame. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a fifth wave to the downside. Gimme another low. Give me another low. Dot's probably going down. One more hit to the low. Again. So, again, Dot's looking about finished as well. Let's pull the fibs on that guy. Excuse me. Yawning like crazy. We have hit the 1-to-1, the 127, sitting at 9.48, guys. $9.48 for maybe extended fifth wave. We'll see. We'll see if we get that or not. All right, guys. There it is. There it is. I'm pretty tired here. I'm going to look at ADA and a couple of the other charts that I already have made. But here's what I'm going to do, guys. I'll only do a chart request if there's a what do you call it, a super chat associated with it, guys. Super chat. I'm pretty tired tonight. I've been working at my house. We're getting our house ready to sell, remodeling it. So anyway, I'm a trader, guys, and I bought this house cheap, and we can sell it for 3 times what we bought it for. So yeah, I'm a trader. It's time to sell. We'll rent for a while, let the market crumble, and then buy something again, or buy something to remodel. Because I've been a remodeler for much of my adult years here, as I was pastoring a church here. So anyway, with that said, here's sushi. Here's sushi real fast. What was I looking at with sushi here? Yeah, looking at some kind of an ending. It's trash, is what it is. It's a 5-wave move that it just shouldn't be there, to be honest with you. A, B, 1, 2. Yeah, okay. So this is basically an A, a B, and a C right there. Okay, and then the C wave is counted like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. We're in the fifth wave. Let's zoom in on sushi. Here, fifth wave, looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're so close here, guys. We need one more hit to the low to finish sushi out. One more hit to the low finishes sushi. That's it. Now, if I may be wrong, and you know, and BTC guys, it may just need that one more hit to the downside. This chop here that we're seeing, it may not chop. We may get one more hit to the low, and they call it good. If we hit that 32K range, 30K range, you know, that's going to be the low probably for a little bit, for a bouncy bounce, at least for a bouncy bounce. But I would expect even more than that. But yeah, sushi's looking about finished here to the downside with this count, looking really, really good. York 3 can never be the shortest. That's it's not, it's off in the longest. It just can't be the shortest. So yeah, even if there's an extended wave, it can't be the shortest. Good question. Good question there. Yeah, but man, sushi, the wave structure looks so good here. This could be 3 down there, so that's the other thing I could do with it. And I could put this as 4, and we need 5 still. So again, same thing. One more hit. It looks like we need one more hit to the low, and it's about finished. That's the way sushi looks for now. All right, let's go on to ADA here, because this is my ADA chart. Tam, they can take out Hidden Bull. I always warn everybody. I mean, they can. The Hidden Bull was there. They can take it out. I'll pull up my Atom chart here in just a minute, though. Yeah, ADA has been a thorn in my side. I got 3 here. I got 3 there. What do you do with this? It's really super trash. I'm not sure how to handle ADA. I need to do a little bit more work on it. ADA's got kind of a... We've got an issue with ADA right now. My last call for Atom was down a bit and then up. Let's see what we got here on Atom. Hidden bull on this chart, 4-hour chart. There's hidden bull. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised to see this bounce. That looks like 3-3. Yeah, I don't like that wave structure. $12-hour daily. We lose the hidden bull on daily. I mean, it's there slightly, but not so much. Yeah, that's a nice 3-wave move there, though. I mean, I tell you, I wouldn't be surprised to see this. It's so pretty. At least 3-wave it up, at least, or higher. But that hidden bull is powerful there on the 12 right there. It's pretty. Unless they roll it over and take it out. That's the only thing. They can roll it over and take it out on Atom there. Look at DXY for a minute. Got a nice 3-wave move there on DXY. Looks like should be getting some kind of a pullback at some point before up. But looks like it's going to start trending to the upside again. I'm looking for $98, $99, $100, guys, on DXY. Look at SPX real fast. Watch out for this move. I drew this a while back. I mean, this thing could keep could cascade down, but I kind of feel like everybody's expecting that. Everybody's looking for that. Watch out. Watch out that this thing doesn't turn around on you. But yeah, it looks pretty bearish. That looks pretty bearish. We're due for a bit of a bounce here. But it could just cascade straight down and plummet. I mean, it could just go straight down on the SPX there. So, but this could also be like some kind of a fourth wave. There is on the daily trend. There is hidden bull on the daily, and the hidden bull goes all the way back here. So, technically speaking, there's some hidden bull there. You got to pay attention to. Pay attention to. But we'll see how the day opens tomorrow. We'll see how it opens tomorrow. Let's see here. I'm getting tired, guys. I'm getting sleepy. What was I going to do? I want to look at NASDAQ real fast. Yeah, see NASDAQ. Now look at NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ gives the appearance of a nice three-wave move here. Okay, a nice three-wave that maybe this is a fourth wave. Okay. A 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to go up. The NASDAQ needs to go up another wave. That's the way the NASDAQ's looking, guys. Looks like we need another wave to the upside. It's actually quite a pretty chart. Let's zoom in here in the 6 hour. Hidden bull in the 6 hour chart, guys. Huge. Big time oversold. Yeah, this looks like 5 waves is done right in here on the hourly chart, guys. Yeah, it's super close to being done here, guys. Watch out for a rally this week on NASDAQ. This week or next. Watch out for a rally. Because that NASDAQ chart's actually looking fairly bullish for one more hit. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Looks pretty decent for another hit to the high, guys. Look at that hidden bull right down here. It's huge. That's hidden bullish divergence, guys. Watch out. Watch out for a big move. Yeah, guys, I'm kind of seeing a bullish move coming in NASDAQ. Adrian, I saw your idea. I don't know if would anybody be interested in his idea, how I got started trading. It's a story. Do you want to do the interview, Adrian? You can do it, and I'll answer. Let me know, man. Russell 2000. All right, I'll look at Russell 2000. It's empty. Full bull mode. See what you got here. So what is the Russell 2000, Lammy? What is this chart I'm looking at? Sorry, I'm an ignorant person. Wish I could look at the small time frame of this wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, extended fifth. I think this is done. I think this is about finished. It's extended. It's extended, but I think you got a flat here. Am I dreaming? Maybe. Might be a flat right there, and then the count here. It's small, but here's the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. And it's finishing up. It's finishing up. I wish I could look at a smaller time frame, but this looks like an extended fifth wave right there. So I'm seeing this as a wave 4. Again, I'm seeing this right here. So guys, watch out for a rally here. I'm seeing it possible on the SPX. Definitely seeing it possible on the NASDAQ. Seeing it possible here on the Russell 2000, guys. I mean, I'm bullish right now, actually. I know it seems weird. I know it seems really weird, but yeah, that's the way it looks to me. That's about all I have to say about that. So you might have a dumpy day to finish it out, and then a rally is coming. The rally might be coming. So, yeah. Well, guys, thanks for joining me tonight. Good to see y'all. Thanks for being here and being part of my subscribership and just regular friends that we meet. It's really good to talk with you guys tonight. I'm tired. Oh, all right. I almost got out of here, Ryan. Almost got out of here. Okay. TLRY. What chart is better than oh, it's a stock. No, we didn't get it up yet. Last time we looked, that's where we left it. No problem, buddy. All right, here's what you need to do, bro. Here's what you need to do. Okay. Draw that trend line right there. Shoot, draw this trend line right here. You get a break of that to the upside, that's a good signal. Really good chance you get a bullish move here. Something like a three-way move. I think he's already in. I think he's already bought chemo, if I remember right. Yeah. When the market rebounds, I think TLRY is going to rebound as well. This is actually looking close to cooked here. Let's look at the small time frame here of this last wave. 1, 2. And the fifth wave here, man. Looks like the fifth. Best I can tell. Best I can tell. Looking decent there. Might be death to TLRY. Tilray Brands. Yeah, I don't know. All right, everybody. Y'all have a fantastic evening. Thanks again for stopping by. Really good to see you guys. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm seeing a bounce in the market's coming. It's coming. I think around 30K for BTC. I think everybody's eyeballing that, so it's got me a little worried that everybody's eyeballing the same region. So I'm a little nervous about that. However, the Nasdaq chart is gorgeous. It's just, unless it just surprises me, it just looks really good. So we'll see if we get a pop here. Let's see if we get a pop. All right. Well, you guys have a great night. Thanks, Wally. Appreciate it. Ryan, we'll see you, buddy. Y'all behave. Have a great night. We'll talk to you later.